Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to upgrade your stash in Delta Force. Managing your inventory effectively is crucial for success, ensuring you always have space for valuable loot. We will cover two primary methods to expand your storage: upgrading your stash level at the Black Site and acquiring various expansion crates. These steps will help you keep your gear organized and ready for any mission, making your gameplay experience much smoother and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the details. To begin, head to your Black Site in the game. Here, you will find the option to upgrade your main stash. Each upgrade level requires you to reach a certain player level and gather specific in-game supplies, such as Technic Alloy. These upgrades directly increase your overall stash capacity and provide additional slots for expansion crates. Remember, higher-level upgrades might take a bit more time to complete, so plan your resource gathering accordingly for continuous improvement. Another excellent way to expand your storage is by acquiring expansion crates. You can purchase these specialized crates from the supply station, located within the departments section. There are various types available, designed to hold specific items such as ammunition, medical supplies, or weapons. After purchasing a crate, remember to activate it by selecting the plus sign in your stash interface. This action will add the crate to your available storage, significantly boosting your capacity for organized item management. Did you know you can get a free ammo crate? Complete key card puzzles across the Zero Dam and La Grove maps to unlock one, providing an extra 36 storage slots. Beyond upgrades, smart organization is key. Consolidate partial stacks of items and attach weapon modifications directly to firearms to free up space. Also, explore your game settings to customize the sorting order of your stash. This helps you quickly find what you need, making your inventory management highly efficient.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.